Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Jenny, this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're bringing the world to your table with a delicious Mexican summer salad.
Yes, Jenny, I'm super excited about this recipe. We are making a barley pineapple jicama salad with avocado.
It's a mouthful.
Yes, literally. So lots of really great flavors in here. We're gonna get started on our dressing. So our dressing is super simple, like most of our dressings are. So we've got some olive oil, and then we're also adding in some fresh lime juice. We've got that oil and the acid, which is typically what we use to make our dressings. And then we've got just a little bit of cumin, salt and pepper. I'll whisk that up. And that's our dressing.
Super simple.
Super simple. And I know, Jenny, you need our arugula, which is our next ingredient.
So this is the leafy green portion of this salad, and I love arugula because it has that peppery taste. If you aren't a fan of that peppery taste, feel free to use spinach or, thank you, something else.
Yes, a lot of people don't necessarily love arugula. It really just kind of depends on your taste buds, but spinach would be a really easy alternative. But we're arugula fans, so that's what we're using today.
And then we're gonna add about half of the dressing just to kind of get this coated. Give this a stir. It's gonna be a big salad.
Yes, it is. So once we stir it up a little bit, it'll kind of shrink down just a little bit. So it's a leafy lettuce salad, but we're also adding in a grain too, and I love leafy lettuce and grain salads together.
The grain makes it more hearty, so today we're using barley. We've already cooked it and drained off any excess water. So I'll get the barley in here.
And barley is something that's really, really easy to make. Thank you.
And let's talk a little bit about the jicama.
Yes, our next ingredient. We were laughing because it kind of looks like cheese. It's not. It's jicama, which is a root vegetable that's native to Mexico.
Yep. It's great because it has a pretty mild flavor, but then a really nice crunch to it. So I absolutely love it in the salad because it does have that crunch, and then it takes up the flavors of everything else in the salad.
Yeah, so we've used this in salsa recipes, salad recipes. You can even just slice it up and dip it into hummus as a snack. So something that's really easy and doesn't have a whole ton of flavor. So most people don't mind it.
Yeah. All right, let's get that in here.
And then our next ingredient that we're gonna be adding, we've got pineapple. So a nice touch of sweetness.
Yes, and this pineapple looks so juicy.
It does. It's amazing right now. And a shortcut step for the pineapple would be to either buy the cored pineapple that we have in our fresh cut department. You can slice it up, or even just buying the
already cut.
Yes, yep. Which is what I usually do. Just saves time.
Yeah. And then, of course, like one of our favorite things, avocado.
Yes. Just adds really nice creaminess to this salad. And we just love avocado in pretty much all things.
Yeah.
So
can't go wrong with avocado.
Never hurts to add it.
All right, and then let's get the rest of the dressing in here, and I'll try to toss this.
Yes. That's the other thing for this recipe. You need a bowl. That's big enough.
Large bowl, yeah.
Unless you want to make it into 2 bowls, that would work too.
And I really like this salad for summers because you can make it ahead of time, and then it will just keep in the fridge, and the acid from the dressing prevents the avocado from browning.
Which is really great because this is a big salad. So if you are making it to bring over to a different, cookout or somebody else's house, great. But if you're just making it for your family, you'll probably have some leftovers. Yeah. So it does keep, for the most part, for a couple days in the fridge, which is really nice and easy salad to bring for lunches during the week, or even just to have as a side dish at dinner time.
Yeah, and I love the addition of pineapple because it's kind of sweet then with like the savory barley and the arugula.
Yes.
Really good. All right, let's see if I can get this into the bowl.
Without making a huge mess, right? Lots of arugula.
Thank you.
And that's the other thing too. If you do put this in the fridge over the course of the week, arugula will shrink down a little bit.
Yeah. Do you have pineapple in there?
No. Let's try to scoop some of that
in. A little bit of everything.
Got to get all those flavors together.
All right.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Let's give it a try. Excited for this dressing. It's very refreshing.
It is. This is so good. I got a bit of pineapple and it was like juicy and perfect.
And the jicama has that perfect little crunch.
Yeah. Well, head to the store today and pick up the ingredients to make this delicious salad.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.